This is a mechanical calculator. It was invented by the Swedish inventor Vilgot Odhner. Odhner emigrated to Russia and started a company in St. Petersburg that produced these calculators up until 1917. In 1917 the Russian Revolution happened, and after that the company was reformed in Gothenburg, Sweden. This particular unit is badged with the name Original Odhner, and it also says Gothenburg, Sweden. So this unit was made sometime after 1917. The calculator has a simple design, but there's something with this unit that prevents some of the digits in the input from moving. I took the calculator apart to try to find the problem. This type of calculator is called a pinwheel calculator because of the pinwheel that we see inside here now. And the pinwheel name comes from the pins that extrude out of the wheel to mesh with the gears on the output register. The pins are controlled by the input levers. By shifting the levers, a cam inside of the wheel pushes out the pins. After removing the side panels, I was able to remove the input display part of the machine. This is just a row of numbers displayed on wheels. The number wheels turn when you shift the input lever, because the input lever meshes with these gears that sit below the number wheels. However, some of these gears were stuck, and this was the reason why the input levers did not move, because they were meshing with those stuck gears. The gears were mounted to an axle and held in position with a plate. This could be easily removed by unscrewing some screws. Some of the gears were completely stuck on the axle while others spun freely. I used lighter fluid to clean the gears a little bit, and forcing the gears to turn eventually freed them up. After I got the gears to turn freely, I was able to remove the axle, and then I cleaned all of the gears using lighter fluid. This whole calculator is very dirty inside, and I definitely want to clean the rest of it some other day. But for this time I only cleaned these gears and the axle, and I applied some new fresh grease to the axle to make sure that the gears can spin freely.